You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 89 over 39. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Break up the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 35 over 3x to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 25 over 3 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 13. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 89 over 39.